Good morning, beautiful people. So I'm worried about my fifth graders. Y'all are not checking in. So comments below when you have seen this video, and if I haven't seen a comment by noon, I am going to call home and see how things are going, okay? Because I want to check in with each of you. Make sure you're keeping up with your work before spring break. So today's page is 169, and this is, I think review. We've pretty much done something similar before. You basically are just following the rule. So if you look at number 1, it gives you a rule. You need 1/5 of what's in the in column. Making sure you can see that. So we have our in and our out. And they give us 15, 20, 35, 10. Okay, they give us that. And we are looking for 1/5 of these numbers. So the rule is multiplying by 1/5. Okay? Now, basically what this means is if you had 15 and you were finding 1/5, my denominator is 5, so I would say what's in each group of 5? And we know 15 divided by 5 is 3. So that's 3. 1/5 of 15 is 3. So I'll put this here. Now, do you see anything else that makes sense here? We could multiply 1/5, or we could divide by what? 5. So when you multiply by a fraction, it's the same as saying division, dividing by 5. So what's 20 divided by 5? 4. So 1/5 of 35 would be 7. And 1/5 of 10 would be 2. Okay, now number 2, they give you the same in, but they change the rule. Instead of times 1/5, it's divided by 5, but they're trying to show you that these are the same. So your outs are actually still the same. 20 divided by 5 is 4, 35 divided by 5 is 7, 10 divided by 5 is 2. Okay, so what they're trying to say is that multiplying by 1/5 gives you the same result as if you were dividing by 5. Okay, now let's look at number 3 and 4. Number 3, they give us n. Oh, I could have left it. Our n's are the same. Okay, now think about it. What was 1/5 of 15? What was 1/5 of 15? It was 5. What would 3/5 of 15 be? Oh, I'm sorry, it was 3. So if 1/5 was 3, I'm gonna leave that there, then 3/5 would be 9, because you would have 3/5. All right, if 1/5 of 20 was 4, then 3 of these 3/5, that's our rule, times 3/5, would be 12. All right, what was 1/5 of 35? It was 7. So 3/5 would be 2 more 7s. So that would be 21. And then what was 1/5 of 10? 2. But you need 3/5, so you have 2 3 times, and that is 6. So 3/5 of 10 is 6. Now, number 4, they give us What they want you to see is that taking a number and timesing it by 3/5 is the same as taking the number, multiplying it by 3, and then dividing it by 5. So if I did 15 times 3, that would be 45. Divided by 5 is 9. We get the same out. So for number 4, you have the exact same answer. Okay? Five, I want you to do on your own, which is basically just explaining what we did, and you're creating your own rule. Okay? Remember, comment below when you've watched. Love you guys.